out, guys? We're just in Grenada today. It's a bit cooler today. The water's looking a bit rough. Not too bad though. Still swimmable. We're gonna go see if we can find some lambi and eat them. Catch and cook lambi. This is a lambi. You might know it as a conch, and they're out there. So we're gonna find them and eat them. I'll show you in a sec. Let's go. So we got our stuff on. Medley's here.
Hi.
He's got the harness on. He's gonna be recording footage underwater because I've got some really bad tad lines where I was wearing it the other day. He's got a shirt on, so makes sense. And father's over there. He's watching the stuff. Let's do this. Oh, so we got 4 this time. Here they are. Whew. 2 big ones, 2 medium ones. Well, they're pretty big. We got bigger the other day, but this is what we're working with. This is what they look like. Yeah, he's got his little eyes in there. He got 1 big foot. We just got back. It's pretty dark. Let's start cooking the lambi. So we just cooked it. We just cooked it together with some pasta, some garlic, a bit of tuna, some mayo. Let's try it. That was some good scran. Thanks for watching.
Thank you. Goodbye.